Hello! Hi guys! So, I just came back from church. Anyway, hindi ko pa binubura yung makeup ko kasi gusto mapakita sa inyo yung lip color ko today. So, you know what I just used today? I just used the XL Paris Long Lasting lip cream. I guess this is, yeah, matte lip cream. And a lot of people are bothered to use this or medyo skeptic sila na gamitin to kasi sabi nila, since it's cheap, baka meron siyang chemical na, alam mo yun, not good. Pero, matigas ang ulo ko eh. Kasi I love it. It's really matte. As in, sobrang matte. Dry siya talaga sa lips mo. So, pagka dry yung lips mo, tendency nun, ma-accentuate niya yung crack ng lips mo or yung dry skin. Pero, I like it eh. Lalo na tong color na to. So, this is the shade 808. And nag-record ba? Yeah. This is the shade 808. And sobrang favorite ko to. You know, isa pang gusto ko dito, ang tagal niya sa lips bago mabura. Sobrang nagtatagal siya talaga. Nandiyan yung pamangkin ko may umuubo. So, yun nga. Nagtatagal siya talaga. So, what I sometimes do, ito yung ginagawa kong base. Then, mag-apply ako ng ibang, you know, ibang color or ibang lipstick sa on top. Either ito, then another lipstick from other brand. Kasi nga, ang isa pang reason why favorite ko to, aside nga yung nagtatagal siya, ito ding shade na to, favorite ko siya kasi iniiba niya yung color ng lipstick. Syempre, nagmi-mix sila. Ang ganda kasi ba parang corally pink siya. So, sobrang, I'm into that kind of shade ng lipstick sa ngayon. So, yun nga. Wala lang. Na-share ko lang. Ba't na, ang dami ko pa sinapit ng doon. Pero yun, diba? Gusto ko siya. Isa pa, kung bakit gusto yung color nito kasi parang lalo siyang nakakapura. Anyway, I just wanna share with you some products, healthy food na I actually posted a photo of this product sa Instagram ko and sa Facebook page ko. So, I just wanna share them with you. So, these are actually healthy food na na-research ko, nakita ko by researching about different healthy recipes and healthy smoothie. So, first is this Kirkland Organic Rice Milk. So, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit actually, but I saw this from Step Basta. If you know Step Basta from, what do you call this, YouTube. So, she is, I think she's a Latina. She's Spanish, something like that, but she's from States, I guess from the USA. I always watch her vlogs because she has a segment that, healthy foods that I eat. Parang ganun. Basta yung mga niluluto niya healthy food, sinishare niya talaga from breakfast to dinner. Kasama na din yung snacks. Tapos sa kanya ko na-discover yung rice milk. So, usually, sa mga paggawa ng smoothie niya, sa mga shakes niya, healthy smoothie, di ba minsan gagamit tayo ng konting water. So, instead water or milk yung gamitin niya, rice milk yung ginagamit niya. And, usually, mga products na ginagamit niya from Kirkland. That's why I was really glad na nahanap ko tong Kirkland rice milk na to sa SNR. Sa SNR kayo usually makakahanap ng mga ganong products, yung mga healthy food, yung mga imported products na hindi nyo makita sa local grocery stores. Ang bilis ko na naman kasi magsuta, sorry. So, this is for only, I don't know kung ito yung original price niya that time, but when we bought this is around 65 or 68 pesos. Pero naka-sale kasi yung SNR that time. So, I'm just not sure if that is the original price. Pero, check it out sa SNR. Ubo na ubo tong pamangkin ko. Tapos, ayun nga, rice milk. First, rice milk. Haven't used that yet, but I'm going to use that sa mga smoothies ko kasi I have a new hashtag, the Project Smoothie. So, I will be doing different recipe ng smoothies. Tapos, I will be sharing it to you guys, usually on Instagram and on my Facebook account. And then next, product na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo is yung Pacific Sun Coco Fresh Natural Coconut Water. Kasi nakita ko din sa mga healthy recipe smoothies sa Instagram, madaming ganon, mga healthy recipes na mga healthy foods, usually sa smoothie. Yun nga, instead na yung water lang yung gamitin nila, gumagamit sila ng natural coconut water. Either yung nakaganito or yung talagang fresh coconut water na, alam mo yun. Pero, I think this is okay. So, I got this from Save More. Yun, natural cocoa water. And this is around 78-75 pesos, mga ganon. So, that's it. It is cholesterol-free. And, yeah. So, syempre, coconut siya, marami siyang benefits for your health, diba? And then yun, next product is itong Greek Style. I know that some of you have already seen this sa previous vlogs ko when I did salad dressing using this Greek Style yogurt. And also, I posted a photo yung kumain ako ng mixed fruits with Greek yogurt. So, ito yon. Actually, this is very pricey. This 1 kilogram already costs like 400 plus. So, para sa akin, mahal na yun. Kasi yung mga mga ganito kalaking, natural yogurt na makita mo sa local grocery stores, mga 100 pesos lang yun. Pero ito, 400 plus siya. Actually, yung 200 grams niya, 100 plus na siya agad. Yung maliit lang na pinost ko nun sa picture sa Instagram tsaka sa Facebook page ko. Yun, mahal siya talaga. Pero I love it kasi ito na yung substitute nyo sa mayonnaise, sa natural yogurt, para sa shake nyo, sa smoothie nyo. And then, pwede nga rin siyang parang, mayonnaise para sa salad nyo or sa sandwiches nyo. And yun, kung kumpara mo siya sa natural yogurt, mas matabang siya. Tapos parang mas maasim siya. Pero I love it. I love it talaga. So, it says it's all natural, source of protein, goodness of calcium, gluten-free, gelatin-free. So, yun. I highly recommend this one, you guys. Kung talagang, nagpapapayat kayo, kung talagang kinakareer nyo. Yun nga, gaya ng sabi ko, mahal nga siya, pero, di ba, pagdating naman sa health mo, investment talaga. And then, the final food product that I want to share with you is finally, nakatagpo na ako ng Dijon Master. Is it Dijon? Dihon? I don't actually know how to pronounce it, but let's just stick with Dijon for now. So, let me know, guys. So, this Dijon Mustard. So, this is Grey Poupon. Grey Poupon. I also got this from SNR, also the Greek-style yogurt. I got all of this from SNR except dun sa Cocoa Fresh Water. I got that from, Save More nga. Tapos yun, ito nga, Dijon Mustard. Kasi halos lahat ng nakita kong healthy salad dressing recipes, merong Dijon Mustard. So, lagi ako naghahanap, wala akong matagpuan. Wala talaga akong makita. Finally, natagpuan ko siya sa SNR. So, nangyari pala kasi, out of stock lang siya palagi. So, finally, nag-restock na sila. So, I finally found this Dijon Mustard. So, this is for 250 pesos. Hindi nga, may kamahalan sila. This is for only 16 ounce. Yun, 1 pound. Yun, 454 grams. Ang dami sinabi, no? So, it says here that this is made with white wine and Napa Valley Mustard Festival Grey Poupon made with white wine Dijon Mustard. So, yun. I highly recommend this, guys, to you. So, kailan naman ginawa akong recipe, try nyo lang, chicken breast, cooked chicken breast, either steamed or baked or, what do you call this, pan-fried. I-shred nyo yung chicken, or pwede ring tuna, kahit yung mga century tuna na ganon. Pero syempre yung with, water, natural water, hindi yung may flavor na mga tuna. Yun, pwedeng either chicken or tuna, tapos 2 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and then 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. Mix nyo lang, pwede nyo siyang ilagay sa wrap or pwede siyang sandwich, basta ganun. Pero ang ginagawa ko sa wrap, yung mga tortilla wrap, syempre yung whole wheat tortilla wrap, pero yung ginamit ko lately yung spinach tortilla wrap. And then, we also bought that from SNR. Sorry, hindi ko siya dala ngayon. Anyway, I'm going to do videos naman doing different healthy recipes. Pero yun nga, sinishare ko na lang din sa inyo. Healthy wrap, tapos lagyan nyo ng lettuce. Tapos ang palaman nyo nga yung chicken with Greek yogurt and Dijon mustard or tuna with Greek yogurt and Dijon mustard. Tapos yung sobrang sarap. Yun yung kinain ko for this past 2 days. Yun yung kinakain ko. Yan. So, yeah, that's it. I just want to share those, recipes with you guys. And itong mga healthy ingredients na nakita ko. At, yun. So, abangan nyo lagi yung The Project Smoothie ko. Yung unang-una ko palang na-post at yung nag-iisang na-post ko palang yung may recipe ako, yung refreshing watermelon strawberry smoothie ko. So, yun. Kung gusto nyo makita, punta lang kayo sa Instagram ko. Follow nyo ako. It's at BingCastro89 or you can, like my Facebook page, Makeup by Bing Castro, kasi pinapost ko din lahat doon para ma-share ko sa inyong lahat. So, yeah, that's it. I'm just going to fix my stuff kasi sobrang kalat ko ngayon. Yan. Oh, this is, by the way, my detox water. So, this contains lemon and orange. So, yan ang aking detox water, di ba? Ang laki niya. So, yeah. 2 days ko yan ang iniinom ko. So, dapat talaga detox water and water kayo ng water para, alam mo yun, wash away all the toxins from your body. And yeah, so I'm just going to fix my things kasi sobrang kalat ko na. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Stay awesome and accomplish your mission!